What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today we're working on a 1995 Dodge Neon, but this procedure is going to be pretty much the same for any car. I'm going to show you how to replace your old wore out blinker fluid and replace it with new. First thing we're going to do, we're going to open the trunk. And you can see it here. It's a little bit low. You want it halfway on the fill window here. So we're going to take a 3/16 drill bit, because that's the size of the aftermarket blinker fluid drain plugs. And we're going to drill a small hole in the bottom of the blinker to get the old fluid out. Yeah, look at that. That's all totally clear. It's supposed to be either red or amber, depending on the color of your lens. If you put the wrong kind of blinker fluid in, you're going to end up with a weird colored lens, and you'll get pulled over because it's illegal. You want to make sure you drain it into a container and take it to your recycling facility. Like the auto parts store, they'll take old blinker fluid. If you were to take this into the dealer, they'd want to replace the entire assembly. They'd sell you a whole blinker, and it'd cost you probably hundreds of dollars to do all four of them. So you're going to save a lot of money doing it yourself, and it's a pretty easy job. These come sealed from the factory because they don't want you working on your own car. So after it all drains out, you're going to want to go to the auto parts store and get some red or amber silicone, depending on the color of your lens. You want to make sure that you get the red or the amber because it's approved for blinker fluid, and you're going to put it on the threads of your blinker fluid drain plug. The blinker drain plugs that I like to use are made by a company called Haha, and they are made here in the United States, and the part number is 8675309. And after you put the silicone on it, it just screws right into the hole we drilled. And then you're going to take the bulb out of the backside. Come around here, I'll show you. It's in the trunk. You're going to remove the bulb here, and you're going to just fill it up with blinker fluid till it's halfway through the blinker fluid fill window. And that's it. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching.